check the alignment on the rear bolts.
Looks good. We are clear to lift.
Structural integrity verified. Begin extraction sequence.
Roger that. Securing the monocoque.
Clear on the left side. Copy that. Lowering now. 20 millimeters to contact.
All right, team, the chassis is complete. The W16 arrives this afternoon. Station 3 is on critical path. Review the updated schedule now.
Okay, lowering now. Steady, steady.
Clear on the left side.
Mounts engaged. Confirmed contact.
Why 4 turbos? To eliminate lag and hit 1500 hPLFU instantly. Check the laser alignment on Station 3.
Reading steady at 0.02.
Dampers are secured.
Is the vent positioned correctly?
Almost. Needs to clear the magnesium strut.
I have it. Secure the bracket.
Final torque applied. We are within spec.
Excellent work, gentlemen. The shielding is secure.
Why is the floor so flat?
To create a vacuum that sucks the car to the road at 400 kilometers per hour.
Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Steady now, watch the alignment.
Clear on the left.
Make sure that edge is completely sealed.
Got it. The titanium shield is secure as well.
Secure the valve controllers now.
They are connected.
Check the alignment in the grille.
It's perfectly centered.
Pressure is holding steady at 160 bars.
Cycle complete, no air detected.
Torque set to 50 Newton meters.
Confirmed. The airflow path looks clear.
Good, let's secure the final mount.
Check the alignment right here, 0.5 millimeters.
Looks good. Clearance is optimal.
The Chiron is complete.
650 hours.
Beautiful work, everyone.
Check the rear anchors, B squad. All secure here, confirming torque specs.
Hoses connected and sealed.
Anything registering on the scan?
Negative. No thermal leakage detected. The gold foil is working perfectly.
Make sure the edge is perfectly aligned with the C-line.
Yes, calibrating the heat gun now.
Oil level is spot on. Let's move to the coolant.
Okay, slowly adding the blue additive now. Looks good.
Adjusting tow point 01. Alignment verified. We are good for top speed mode.
heat signature is uniform, 150 degrees exactly.
Confirmed. The gold lines are holding temperature perfectly. We're good to validate.
The temperature is exactly 85 Celsius.
Structure is sound. 0.4 bar increase confirmed.
Another masterpiece completed. We did well, everyone.
Bring her in slow, hold it there.
Confirming 21 degrees Celsius. Secure the load.
Nets engaged and locked.
Here is the speed key, sir. Enjoy the drive.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on the Chiron, sir. Enjoy the first drive.